About tech is we are looking for experienced system administrator, core knowledge of Windows Server management. The location is Bhubaneswar, industry is IT and telecom. You must have minimum of 2 years of experience. The key responsibility is to manage, maintain Windows Server infrastructure, install, configure and troubleshooting Windows Server environment, manage Active Directory, group policy and user account, handle server monitoring, backup and system maintenance, troubleshoot hardware, software and network related issue, manage user access permissions and security policy, perform system update, patch and configuration changes, maintain server documentations and IT infrastructure record. Coordinate with network and IT teams for infrastructure related issue. The required skills: you must have strong knowledge of Windows Server administrations, Active Directory, group policy management, DNS, DHCP, and core knowledge of Windows Server 2016, 2019, and 2022. You must have good enough knowledge in user access management, server monitoring, and troubleshooting. The more skills we need: backup, restore, patch management, basic networking, TCP/IP, LAN, WAN, VMware virtualizations, and must have PowerShell scripting knowledge. Strong troubleshooting and communication skills. So ensure what you exactly do. What is your core responsibilities? Ensure stable and secure operations of Windows Server environment. Support Active Directory, GPO, DNS, DHCP, and user management. Monitor servers and resolve system issue proactively. Implement system policies and ensure compliance. Work closely with IT teams to ensure smooth infrastructure operations. Who can apply? Minimum of 2 years of experience in Windows Server administration. Strong technical knowledge and problem solving skills. Good communications and teamwork. If you're interested, send your resume recruitment@hrthinkerlab.com. Even you can WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, so if we found your CV strong and significant, we must call you back and see you there in interview. Good luck.